Hello, Sudoku friends! Welcome back with the second puzzle at Two Stars Sudoku. Two Stars Sudoku, not in today's newspaper. No, today it's actually with Monday. With Monday, we have no newspaper. It's the newspaper of last Saturday, Saturday, May the 27th, 2023. And I've told you in that in the weekend newspaper we have no additional, no extra puzzles, so it's an old puzzle of Friday, April the 21st, 2023, and I've already solved one puzzle, the letter Sudoku. So two puzzles remain, the tectonic with 1 star and the Two Stars Sudoku. Two Stars Sudoku number, I believe, 6507. Yeah. And before I start, I always count the printed digits. Well, this one has 26. Yeah, 26 printed digits. For 2 stars puzzle, I need 15 to 20 minutes to solve. That's my time limit. We'll see if this is really a 2 stars puzzle. So let's get started. Let me see which number I can use. The 8 in this column, last column, 8 in the column next. So that column, now only 2 places left for the 8 should be here or there. We see an 8 in this row, no 8 there. 8 should be there. Alright. 2 in this column, 2 in the column next. So last column, only 2 places left for the 2 should be here or there. We see a 2 in the second row, no 2 there. 2 should be there. 2, okay. Yeah. Alright. 4 missing numbers in the last row. 2 of those missing numbers are the 2 and the 3. We have a 2 and a 3 in this big square. So no 2 and a 3 in these 2 boxes. The 2 and the 3 goes in those 2 boxes as a pair. 2 and a 3, 2 and a 3. We have a 3 in this column. No 3 there. 3 should be here and the 2 goes there. So now we have 2 missing numbers in the last row for the numbers. The 1, the 2, 3, 4 is missing. The 5 and the 6 is missing. 4 and the 6, 4 and the 6. We have a 4 in the last column. No 4 there. 4 should be here and the 6 goes there. Alright. Okay. And now, next step. 6 in this column, 6 in the last column. So the column between the middle, the only place left for the 6 should be there. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 missing numbers in the third column. 5 missing numbers. 2 of those missing numbers are the 2 and the 7. We have a 2 and a 7 in this big square, so no 2 and a 7 in these 3 boxes. The 2 and a 7 in the third column should be in those 2 boxes as a pair. 2 and a 7, 2 and a 7. We have a 2 in this row, no 2 in there. 2 should be here and a 7 goes there. Well, and now. Let me see. We have a 9 in the last row, the 9 in the row above. So that row, the only place left for the 9 should be there. Then. 3 missing numbers in this row. Those missing numbers are the 1, the 2 is missing, the 3 is missing, the 4, the 5, the 6, and the 7 is missing. 2, 3, 7. 2, 3, 7, 2, 3, 7, 2, 3, 7. And look, we have a 2 and a 3 in this column. So no 2 and a 3 in this box. 2 and 3 goes in those 2 boxes as a pair. 2 and 3, 2 and 3. We have a 2 in this column, no 2 there. 2 should be here and the 3 goes there. So 1 digit left in this middle row for number 7. Alright. 7. Then. Let me see. 5 in this column. 5 in the middle column. So the column next, the only place left for the 5 should be there. Let me see. The 9. We have 4 missing numbers in this big square. 2 of those missing numbers are the 9 and the 7. We have a 9 and a 7 in the last column, so no 9 and 7 in these 2 boxes. The 9 and 7 goes in those 2 boxes as a pair. 9 and 7, 9 and 7. So 2 numbers left in this big square for numbers. The 1 is missing, the 2, the 3, the 4, and the 5 is missing. 1 and a 5, 1 and a 5. That means 1 box left in this column. For number, the 1, the 2, 3 is missing here. 3 is missing. 3 missing numbers in the third column. Those missing numbers are the 1 is missing, the 2, the 3 is missing, the 4 and the 5, the 6, the 7, and 8 is missing. 1, 3, 8. 1, 3, 8, 1, 3, 8, 1, 3, 8. And look, we have a 3 in the third row, so no 3 there. Here, 3 in the second row, so no 3 there. So the only place left for the 3 should be there. So the 1 and 8 are left. Let me mark those, 1 and 8. Okay. Alright. Then. How about. Need a 9 here. Need 8 there, 8 in this column, 8 in the middle column, so the column next, no, only 2 places left for the 8 should be here, or there, we see an 8 in the first row, no 8 there, 8 should be there, 1 and 8, we have 8 now in the second row, no 8 there, 8 should be here, and a 1 goes there. Alright, 5, 5, need a 4 here, need a 9 here, yeah. 9 in this column, 9 in the third column, so the column between the second column, the only place left for the 9 should be there. The 9 in the first row, the 9 in the second row, so in the third row, the only place left for the 9 should be there. 9, 9, cannot continue with the 9 now, need to wait. 1, 4, 6, 1, 4, 6, okay. And now, we have 2 missing numbers in this big square. Those missing numbers are the 1, the 2, 3, 4 is missing, and the 5 is missing. 4 and a 5, 4 and a 5. We have a 5 in the third row, no 5 there. 5 should be here, and a 4 goes at there. 5, 5, okay. 4, 4. Need a 6 here. Need a 5 here. No, we have a 5. Need a 8 here. And a 3, need a 3 here. Yeah, need a 5 here. Let me see. 6, 6. Need a 6 here also. Come on. How about these 3 missing numbers? 1 is missing. The 2, the 3, 4 is missing. 5 and a 6 is missing. 1, 4, 6. 1, 4, 6. Here can be 6 here. 3 missing numbers in this column. Those missing numbers are the 1 is missing. The 2, the 3, the 4 is missing. The 5 and the 6 is missing. 1, 4, 6. 1, 4, 6, 1, 4, 6, 1, 4, 6. And look, we have a 6 in this row, no 6 there. Yeah, 6 in this row, no 6 there. So the only place left for the 6 should be there. So the 1 and the 4 are left. 1 and the 4. Need to wait here. 1 and a 4. Okay, 1 box left in this row for number 1. 1, 1. Well. Could be a 1 here, 1 and a 4. Well, 1 and a 4. We have a 1 in this big square, so no 1 there. 1 should be here, and a 4 goes there. So 1, 1 here. We have a 1 here. 2 missing numbers in this big square for numbers. The 1 is missing, the 2, 3, 4, and the 5 is missing. 1 and a 5, 1 and a 5. Here we have a 1 in this column, 1 in that column, so the column between the middle column, the only 2 places left for the 1 should be here or there. We have a 1 in one of those 2 boxes in this row, so here can't be a 1 anymore. That box should be a 1. Alright, 1 and a 5, we have a 1 in this row, so no 1 there. 1 should be here, and a 5 goes there. 1, 1, okay. 2 missing numbers in this big square for numbers. The 1, the 2, 3, 4 is missing. The 5 and the 6 is missing. 4 and the 6, 4 and the 6 cannot fill this yet. Need to wait. Interesting. This puzzle is interesting. 2 in the third row. 2 in the second row. So in the first row, the only place left for the 2 should be there. 2 in this column, 2 in the middle column. So the column next, the only 2 places left for the 2 should be here or there. We see 2 in this row, no 2 there. 2 should be there. Then the 9, the 3, 4 in this row, 4 in the middle row. So the row below, the only place left for the 4 should be there. 6 in the 4, we have a 4 now in the middle column, no 4 there. 4 should be here, and the 6 goes there. 6 in this column, 6 in the middle column, so the column next, the only place left for the 6 should be there. 1 box left in this big square for the 1, the 2, the 3, the 4, the 5, the 6, the 7 is missing. 2 missing numbers in this big square for the 1, the 2, 3 is missing. The 4, the 5, the 6, the 7, 8, 9 is missing. 3 and a 9, 3 and a 9. We have a 9 in this column, no 9 there. 9 should be here, and the 3 goes there. 9 and a 7, we have a 9 in this row, no 9 there. 9 should be here, and the 7 goes there. So we have a 7 in this row, 7 in the middle row, so the row below, the only 2 places left for the 7 should be here or there. We see a 7 in this column, no 7 there. 7 should be there. 1 box left in this row for the 1, the 2, the 3 is missing. So we have a 3 in the third column, 3 in the second column, so the first column, the only 2 places left for the 3 should be here or there. We see a 3 in this row, no 3 there, 3 should be there. 6 in this column, 6 in the second column, so the first column, the only place left for the 6 should be there. 2 missing numbers in this big square for numbers. The 1, the 2, 3, 4 is missing. The 5, the 6, the 7, and 8 is missing. 4 and 8, 4 and 8. We have an 8 in this row, no 8 there. 8 should be here, the 4 goes there. 2 missing numbers in this big square for numbers. The 1, the 2, 3, the 4, 5 is missing. The 6, the 7, and 8 is missing. 5 and 8, 5 and 8. We have 8 in this column. Second column, no 8 there. 8 should be here. The 5 goes there. 2 missing numbers in the first row for numbers. The 1 is missing. The 2, the 3, the 4, the 5, the 6, and the 7 is missing. 1 and a 7, 1 and a 7. We have a 7 in this column. No 7 there. 7 should be here. And the 1 goes there. Yeah. Now we have a 1 here. I've marked those 2 boxes earlier with a 1 and a 5. We have a 1 in this column, so no 1 there. 1 should be here, and a 5 goes there, and a final 2 numbers in this big square for numbers. The 1, the 2, 3, 4 is missing, and a 5 is missing. 4 and a 5, 4 and a 5. We have a 5 in this column, no 5 there. 5 should be here, and a 4 goes there. Finish in 30 minutes. Well, 2 stars. Let me give this a 1 star. Yeah, not or 0 stars. I'm faster than 15 minutes, so I'm very well pleased with the time, and I like this one. Yes, I really do. You think so? Thumbs up. Otherwise, thumbs down. You can also download this PDF file so you can make it or solve it by yourself. Thank you again for watching, and I will see you in a minute with the last puzzle for this afternoon. In the evening, I will try again the second attempt for the Samurai Sudoku. Until then, bye-bye for now.